What's up, friends? Today we are needing to cut a bolt shorter. Normally what happens is when you cut a bolt shorter either with a hacksaw or with a cutting tool of sorts, you will damage the thread and then you battle to get the bolt to go in where it needs to go in. So what you do is you get a nut with the right size thread, screw it onto the bolt past where you need to cut. Then you can cut the bolt. I'm using a mini bolt cutter. You can maybe get away with a side cutter. Cut the bolt off. As you can see that the thread is damaged, so turning the nut off will just reshape the thread. If like now the thread is so damaged that the nut doesn't want to come off very easily, then you can just hold the nut with the pliers or a spanner or put it in the vise, take a screwdriver and turn it out, and your thread will be reshaped. Thanks, please like and share. See you at the next one.